So a brief analysis on Sonitek.ca website. As you can see on the header, on the topmost section, there's the get your free code. There's the badge that has been earned for quite the years based on the rankings, continuous good rankings. There's also the phone number, the credit card option, and also the logins at the top. There's also quick social media icons on towards the right that always remain on top. The taglines on the header, which rotates, which is about different services. The only thing probably missing is a next and a previous button going into the next slides. Then we have a quick portfolio section in the middle, also all kinds of footer sections and some small descriptions on different services, different products that Sonitek offers. And then we go into the About Us page. The About Us shows it tells about the company, the head office, and basic model of the business. Probably this can be elaborated a little further. Some of the text can be added here. The portfolio, that's the heart of the web development projects and all kinds of projects that Sonitek offers. And this page clearly classifies all the different projects based on website, mobile application, search engine optimization. So for an example, let's go into the mobile application. We go to the first link. These work as showcase. So the first one, it says Smart Wallet. As you can see, it shows a link which resides on Sonitek website link, which actually does not provide a trustworthy, it works as a trustworthy link. Whereas if we go into PM2M Sports, for example, this goes directly to the iTunes, which shows that the application has been completed and has been submitted to the store successfully, which adds on to the credibility of the portfolio and the company. Whereas the other link that we just saw was residing on the local link. So really speaking, the completed projects add on to the credibility. This again, as you can see, it's on the Sonitek link, but this is an example of a mobile website, and this is examples for expand security gates. So okay, so we go back to the website part. This is the actual tool which tells the real story behind the labor and work has been done. This section, this graph that you see, the site-wide, it shows 30-odd thousand count. This actually means that there has been about 30,000 backlinks that go into all the different pages except from the home page, not just the home page. So that's really good. The backlinks, as you see it, are dropping a little bit, which should either be constant or go towards the up. This is fine. Referring domains is going on. It's an upward trend, so that's okay. The referring pages for anchor phrases, as you can see on Sonitek.ca, these comes from different projects that we complete, and there are also different categories as web development, as company. So these break up all the counts for the referring pages and the anchor links that has been created over the time. So this is really good. It gives you a complete understanding and the breakup of the counts. So now let's just check links on different tool.ca for Sonitek website. So with the keywords website design, it comes on number 10. If you type in Sonitek design company, let's see where Sonitek, it comes right at the top. So that's good. So you can see all the different backlinks within the website for different pages. And let us try another keyword website design Toronto, and let's see where Sonitek. So it's probably, yeah, it's there. It's on number 6. As you can see, there's also some of the listings that shows the image of the owner, the actual picture. So that's all, adds on to the credibility to the listings. It gives the users a little bit more confidence of who they would probably be dealing with, or who the owner of the company is. So let's check it on a different keyword, mobile app development, and Sonitek. Yeah, it comes on the top 5 here as well, so that's good. As you can see here again, there's image of the owner with the listing that comes in. So it shows. Okay, we go back to the search engine again. Go on to the top. We type in sonitek.ca, and so here you see all the backlinks that has been created for Sonitek. So it shows a count right at the top, and these are all the listings that comes from different projects that we have done, and the links that we have put in for Sonitek website on different websites. These are a lot of projects that Sonitek has completed and put in their website link at the footer. Then there's also all kinds of backlinks that has been created during the optimization, which is on different directories and stuff like that. So it gives you all the 36 odd thousand backlinks that has been created for Sonitek website from different directories and social media profiles as well. Then you see there's a lot of importance given to the different blog posts that are done, and also the backlinking. So these are some of the different rules and that is being followed by Sonitek for their optimization, which is really good. And this here tells you what should be the good steps for a good optimization. So again, as you'll see here, these Sonitek follows all these do's and don'ts. It tells you about how different how rankings are affected from different types of optimization strategies that are accepted here from the panda effect that we just saw there. It was coming back to the site.